If you guys didn't watch my last video, you guys are probably wondering what car I'm in, whose car is this, why am I driving it? In the last video, I told you guys that I'll explain all this in a future video. I'm not gonna explain it all and jump into it today, but you guys did get a little sneak peek of what it looks like. But today we're in the SI and we're gonna go pick up the WRX. This dude just walked out with a huge wing. What the hell, dude? Just casually walk out with a huge wing. Dude, look how practical this car is. He could fit a huge ass wing in this. You ready to go get the WRX, dude?
Yes, sir.
How many months in the making?
I think September, October, November, December, January. It's almost February, so technically 6 months.
Dude, 6 months no car. We're finally gonna go get it today. Dude, haven't seen this car in so long, dude.
It's so filthy.
Dude, I forgot it has the Tome.
Yeah.
I miss my Tome so much, dude. Can't wait to hear it. Holy shit. He even aired it out for you.
Yeah. Holy shit. I didn't know it was this low.
Dude, for real, I forgot how low this car was. But dude, no, the front looks so much lower than it used to.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Damn, did he lower it for you too? I'm so hyped, and it's not even my car. Let's go inside, get the keys, get this thing started up. Do you have a cold start delete?
Yeah.
Oh shit. What clutch do you have now?
XD stage 1.
Alright, so wait, is it a lot harder than the stock one?
Not a lot harder, but...
Oh shit. Dude, did you forget how to drive stick, dude?
Nah, I got clutch.
Dude, this car's actually running. Oh shit, we need to get some gas real quick.
Like literally like fast.
So you getting regular?
Yes, sir.
Super excited the WRX is back on the road. We're just gonna head to my house. We're gonna go to my house and then install the wing on the WRX. Damn, look at how good that thing looks. This car makes me want to have a WRX so bad. So dude, what are we doing today?
Basically we're just gonna slap a bunch of stickers and hope it comes out good.
Yeah.
You know, it's my new rap, so.
No, seriously, what are we doing today, bro?
Alright, so basically I want to install my wing.
Your wing? You gotta...
I'm like so excited.
I know, dude. You're finally gonna be Wang Gang again.
For real?
I mean, you had like a schmedium Wang Gang, now you're gonna be big Wang Gang. Dude, finally, man. Are you gonna be taking this off?
I don't know yet, actually.
Because I remember on the old Rex, we left it, right? On the old trunk.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys...
I think I'll leave it on.
Yeah.
Like the other one is like on top. So.
Yeah. Wait, let's get the other one just to mount it up and see it. So this is a Battle Era wing, and we have everything we needed for it, except for the side pieces. I think they're called end plates. It's a big wing, but it won't be complete without the end plates. So this part mounts onto the trunk. There's literally only 3 holes. Then we have the wing stand that goes on like this, and then we have the big wang. This should be a pretty easy install. I mean, we've installed my chassis mount wing and uninstalled it like how many times? Dude, too many times. So this should be pretty easy. I mean, it's literally 6 holes. That's it. Wait, yo, you gotta come look at it from right here. Dude, what the fuck?
There we go. So much fucking better.
Nah, dude, still, dude, no, it's still so messed up.
It was the right way.
What?
It was the right way.
I mean, it might.
No, it was, because this is supposed to go.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it could still kind of work if you see these like the bolt holes in the front.
Yeah.
If you put this one all the way at the top, it'll slant more this way. Then it would look more normal. Dude, right now it looks so stupid. After like 3 tries, I kept messing up, so Jay's just taking it because Jay apparently knows Battle Arrow more than I do, even though I've had a Battle Arrow for what, over a year now? It may not look like it, but it just took us like a half hour to figure out just which way the stands go. Dude, it's gonna take us less time to drill through the trunk and fully install this thing. Oh, boom, there we go.
Oh, fuck, man.
What?
An hour later.
Dude, that looks sick. So Jay's just marking up exactly where we're gonna need to drill the holes. So when this wing is off, we know exactly where to drill. Measure twice, drill once, am I right?
Yes, sir.
You ready, dude?
Not really, but let's do it.
So Jay's on the phone with his body shop right now. We ran into a little issue and we may not be able to do this today. Basically the problem is that we need to drill the holes out right over here. And if you look directly on the bottom of the trunk, it's right over here. Now the issue is that we don't want to just cut this out completely because that kind of just ruins the rigidity of the trunk. This totally weakens and this is just going to start wobbling and go all over the place, and we don't want that to happen. We can use some big ass bolts, but who knows if the big ass bolts will actually hold it really tight. We want to make sure that this wing doesn't go anywhere. It is a pretty heavy wing. You don't want a giant wing being held on by just little tiny long bolts, so that's the issue right now. If they can't do it today, at least we saw what the wing looks like. The important thing is that we did get the WRX back today. That's a huge plus. Can't do the wing today, but at least I can show you guys what it's gonna look like. Dude, you definitely have to point the front of it down more though. Dude, that wing is huge. Like for a trunk mount, that's like the biggest trunk mount I've ever seen. This is a normal trunk mount wing on the RX-8. That's a normal sized wing. Holy sh, that's just obnoxious, dude. But I love it. I think it's sick. I'm wondering, can you open your trunk with that wing? Like, is that wing gonna smack your window or something? I hope not. Real quick for anybody who may not know, because this video has been kind of all over the place. Yeah. Like we got your car quick and everything. For everybody who doesn't know, like what happened to your car? Why has it been gone for so long? For like almost half of 2018, this car's been gone.
Literally.
And then that's before it was gone for 5 weeks the first time.
Yeah.
So Subaru couldn't even fix this car. Subaru gave it back to him after 5 weeks, kind of fixed it for a little while, and now...
And do they know the story of like how it happened?
Just sum it up real quick, like...
Alright, so basically like, I was driving to Maryland, everything was fine, and then maybe what, like halfway, was that like 2 hours?
About
like halfway, I'm pretty sure I did a stop or something. Yeah, I stopped because my car wasn't working, and then these douchebags just left me, you know. So I was like, what the fuck? My clutch like started like slipping, kind of, in a sense. It was slipping actually, but you know, at the moment I was just like, all right, fuck it, it's just a clutch, you know, like I can get one, you know, for fairly cheaper than normal.
I mean, you were stressing out a little bit.
Yeah, I was stressing just because of the fact that I probably had that clutch in for like what, like a couple months.
Yeah,
you know?
I mean, and we were like 2 hours, no, we were like 3 hours away from home.
Yeah,
your car was
we were
breaking.
like 3 hours, away. So I was just like, what the fuck, you know, like it was just parked until I'm gonna say, like recently, what, like I think.
Yeah, I mean, you gave it
within this last month, literally this car has been to like 3 different mechanics to try and get fixed, right?
And nobody could fix it.
And no one, well, the first 2 couldn't fix it. My axle was also shot. I don't know if you guys remember that. I asked him like, yo, because when I went, he literally had both my axles in the front off. Yeah, like he had both of them off.
But wasn't it your rear axle that was broken?
Yeah, but I was like, he had them both off for like some reason. I don't know what it was, but he took some shit apart. And I was like, oh, like, can you know, I have the axle in the back seat, like, can you do that one? And he was like, oh, I don't do axles. So I'm like, what?
Why do you have my axles apart?
I'm like, wait, what? So I was like, fuck it, I'm not gonna like waste my time. As soon as I came back, I installed the brand new clutch. I got the competition clutch stage 3. I installed it at my friend's shop. He installed it fine, everything was fine, but the car was still having problems, which at the time we didn't know what it was.
So it wasn't a clutch issue.
So it wasn't a clutch issue. So then, you know, I drove it home, I parked the car, so I took it to this other shop, and he was like, oh, you need a new clutch. So I was like, all right, fine. So I went and I bought a new clutch. I bought the XD stage 1 clutch because I was like, you know what, if it is my clutch or something, if it's gonna keep messing up, I want it like cheaper. So I got the stage 1 XD clutch and the stage 1, no, I don't know if it's stage 1, but I got the lightweight flywheel from them too. So then they installed that, and I just tested up the car. It was driving fine, but then maybe like 5 minutes into the drive, I was like, all right, I'm gonna give it a little bit more gas. So I gave it a little bit more gas. I reached to like 45 RPMs, 4,500 RPMs. Man, it just shot right back up.
Slipping again?
Yeah, it just started slipping again.
That's wild. So much time, so much money has went into this car.
Yeah, man.
And hopefully
that's what sucks for me. So I reached out to like the one person that I know like works on only modified cars. All my friends that I know like go to him and everything. Like these guys, they only trust him. So which is fully built.
It's a really reputable shop.
He was staying overtime for me. Like I didn't even ask for that. This dude like literally stayed overtime for me, and
which is dope.
Whatever. Which is yeah, he's dope. You know, I really appreciate that. And out of nowhere, I get a call. I'm like, oh shit! And I saw MP Bill. I was like, yo, like I didn't even let it ring, yo. Like I picked up. I was like, yo. And then he was like talking to me and everything, and I heard your car is fixed, and I just zoned out. And in my mind, I'm like, oh my god, I'm like going crazy. I'm just so excited and everything. I'm like, this fucking guy, yo, he's a fucking genius. And then he was like, yeah, so you know, I figured it out, blah blah, whatever. He said my throwout bearing, I think, was out of place, because remember I zoned out. Which is
a huge thing for Subaru.
Yeah. So I zoned out, so I didn't really pay attention too much because I was just so excited. So he said something about my throwout bearing, and there was it was like some type of like axle or some shit, I don't remember.
Speaking as of right now, we can say that Fully Built is the only person that was able to fix your car.
Yeah, man.
If the car goes bad again, we'll let you guys know, but
yeah,
I highly doubt it will, because it's acting a lot better than it has in the past.
Way better.
All right, bro, drive safe. Don't break it.
For real.
Try your best, man.
If I get stranded.
All right, man. See ya, bro. See you later. That car sounds so damn good, but I'm super tired. I have to leave for work in a little bit, so I'm gonna catch you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. More WRX content soon to come. And in the next video, you guys are gonna see that we're gonna be molding the wide body to the BRZ finally. So exciting things to come, guys. Peace out.